Trying to go and do his Tiger Woods thing. Say, I try to teach the nigga how to hit. You know, we want him to. You got it? Right. Alright, go do the last one up over here.
That's the last one.
That's the last one? See, it's the last one. What'd it say? Thank you for playing. Please return clubs and pencils to the clubhouse. Yeah, Yola, you have fun?
Yeah.
Now where we going? Let's go. As you know, I'm hot than a bitch. Always out spending a little time with the little fam bam. Yeah.